Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to change a pointer's color, which is the one you are seeing on your screen, which is a crosshair, which we call it a crosshair, which we use to select and deselect things. So basically, let's say you want to change its color. So it is very simple. The first step you follow is OP enter, which is a shortcut for options. You do options enter, and then you come up with a dialog box which opens from the tab you left. All you have to do is go directly to the drafting area, which is right over here, as you can see on my pointer. You just go in drafting area, and under auto snap settings you go to the next setting, which is colors. After colors, you see a context of 2D model space and interface element that you want to change. So here it actually shows the display of what things that you are going to see in your space. So we are having a 2D model space, and we select the option of crosshairs right over here, which is crosshairs, which is the pointer that you see. Right now it is set at a default setting of white. You can change it to whatever you want, and it automatically as you can see in the preview right over here, it has automatically been set to the color red. You can change it to any and literally any color you want, and you have to do is apply and close. Again, do apply and press OK, and that's all. That's how easy you can change your crosshair color. Let's say you mistakenly change the color to red, and now you want to go back to white. Then you just have to do is OPA enter. Again, it will come to wherever you have closed. Again, choose crosshair, choose white, apply and close, apply and close. And that's all. That's how you get your white crosshair back. That was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it. And thank you.